In this video, we are going to talk about become a millionaire with stocks. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel and ring the bell for our future updates. Investing in firms on the stock market is frequently promoted as a way to build real wealth for yourself, as well as riches for future generations of your family. But, with the stock market being so volatile, how do people become wealthy from stocks? Many people aspire to be multi-millionaires, but only a few succeed. The good news is that even the typical investor can become a successful investment. It may appear that being wealthy in the stock market is only possible for Wall Street insiders or wealthy investors. To make a big amount of money, though, you don't need to be affluent or know a lot about investing. However, you will require a strategy. And following these 3 steps can set you on the road to becoming a multi-millionaire. When it comes to making money in the stock market, time is your friend. Investing is a long-term game, and there is no surefire way to become wealthy overnight. The more time you have to invest, the more money you may be able to make. Depending on your age, you may need to set aside a large amount of money each month to achieve your objective. The longer you wait to invest, though, the more difficult it will be to become a multi-millionaire. Assume you're 30 years old and have only recently begun to invest. If you put down roughly $600 each month and earned a 10% annual rate of return, you'd have nearly $2 million in 35 years. However, if you didn't start saving until you were 35 and only had 30 years to build your money, you'd need to invest roughly $1,000 every month to achieve $2 million. It may be more difficult to become a multi-millionaire if you get a late start. However, it is far preferable to begin investing now rather than later. If you want to make the most money, choosing the appropriate assets is critical, but the process of selecting stocks can seem contradictory. While it's possible to make a lot of money by investing in the next big thing, such as a gleaming new startup that promises to transform the world, you'll usually get better returns by sticking to slow but steady investments. An S&P 500 index fund is a smart choice for many investors. These funds track the S&P 500, which consists of little over 500 stocks from some of the country's major corporations. Since its inception, the S&P 500 has averaged a yearly return of roughly 10%. Furthermore, these funds are among the most secure sorts of investments available. Over the years, the S&P 500 has experienced its fair share of corrections and crashes, but it has always recovered. At some point throughout your investing career, the stock market will inevitably undergo a dip. Although market corrections are natural and healthy, they can be frightening. It's tempting to try to time the market if you're afraid about losing money. However, this can occasionally cause more harm than good. Timing the market entails selling your investments at a high point and then buying them again at a low point. This appears to be a decent idea in theory. In fact, however, this method is extremely impossible to implement. The stock market is unpredictably volatile, and even specialists are unsure how it will react. Take, for example, the market meltdown of 2020. Not only was the crash unexpected, but the near instantaneous rebound was much more so. And if you try to timing the market but wind up buying and selling at the incorrect times, you could lose a lot of money, making your multi-millionaire aim more difficult to achieve. It's preferable to ride out the storms rather than trying to time the market. Your investments should eventually rebound if you're putting your money in the proper locations. It is difficult, but not impossible, to become a multi-millionaire on the stock market. It's easier than you think to get money by investing if you get started as soon as possible and develop a strategy. 1. Understand the stock market and stay focused. You must have a working knowledge of the stock market and be comfortable with long-term investing if you want to develop your money in the stock market. Few people become millionaires overnight as a result of a lucky stock pick, so don't expect it to happen to you. If you need assistance getting started, you can consult a financial counselor. For example, the Paladin Registry is a program that connects investors with fiduciary certified advisors. That means they are required to act in your best interest. Stay focused on your investment objectives and remain cool during downturns. Allow the market to do the heavy lifting for you. 2. Budget for investing. Budgeting your earnings is a powerful investing strategy. Investing payments should be included in your monthly budget so that you can track your investments over time. Look for places where you can save money so you can put more money into your investment. Regardless of how much you already put into your investments, cutting back on other expenses could allow you to invest even more. It's not a bad idea to seek assistance in arranging your finances. Facet Wealth is a financial planning firm that matches you with a professional certified financial planner (TM) to manage your investments, savings, and other financial matters. 3. Use index funds. It's a little unreasonable to expect to get wealthy by investing in just one stock. This is why index funds have become so popular. When you invest in an index fund, you are diversifying your portfolio. Your investment in each fund is inherently smaller because you are investing in a variety of companies in one fund. As a result, each company pays you less. However, if some of the companies turn out to be duds, you will not lose as much money. Index fund investment is appropriate for the buy and hold approach in growing rich in the stock market over time, rather than looking for the one stock that would alter your life forever. 4. Buy and hold. The Apple example clearly demonstrates how purchasing and holding a stock may be quite advantageous to your financial situation. Buying stock shares and holding them for the long term, even when the stock market is down, is referred to as buy and hold. Most illustrious investors extol the virtues of the buy and hold strategy. The money is made in investments by investing and owning good firms for lengthy periods of time, Warren Buffett said in 2016. 5. Short selling. It is the polar opposite of the buy and hold strategy. People who want to make money in the stock market in a shorter period of time do so by shorting equities. The basic idea is that you borrow stocks and sell them at current market levels in exchange for cash. However, because you merely borrowed the stocks, you'll need to replace the one you sold. You're also accountable for paying dividends for the time you've borrowed the shares. Short sellers hope for a big decrease in the stock price so they can buy it back at a lower price. This implies they can take the difference home with them. Short selling is a strategy to make money in the stock market because the difference can be rather large at times. Shorting the market necessitates market expertise and an educated judgment as to when the stocks will fall. You don't want to borrow them for an extended period of time because you'll end up owing a significant amount in dividends. You can buy and sell stocks through a brokerage business like E-Trade if you're interested in short selling. 6. Contribute to your portfolio consistently. Consistently contributing to your assets over time is a fantastic way to build money in the stock market. It's a budget-friendly strategy for the average American. Many people do not have large sums of money to invest at any given time, but they do have smaller amounts that they can contribute over time. Consistency is a wise investment strategy. Let's say you start with a $3,000 investment. If you invest $500 each month for 30 years at 6% interest, you'll have $523,022 in your bank account. At $1,000 per month for 30 years, you'd have $1,027,897. You can use a calculator like this to understand how different levels of monthly contributions affect your investment results, or you can utilize an automated investing service like Betterment if you're just getting started. Personal capital is a good option for people with a little more experience. It not only keeps track of all of your finances in one location, but it also offers excellent wealth management. Know the math behind getting rich in the stock market. Apple's initial public offering, IPO, price was $22 per share in 1980. If you had invested $5,000 and held it until August 2018, the share price would have risen to $227.63 a share, more than 10 times its initial value. But, more importantly, at that time, the stock split 56 times. In 1980, you could have purchased 227 shares for $5,000. You'd have 12,712 shares in Apple by 2018, after the company had divided its stock and modified its business plan a few times. Your $5,000 investment would have increased to $2,893,632.56 at $227.63 per share. That is how you make money on the stock market. Exceptionally wealthy. Over the period of 38 years, long-term investing like that would have earned you a multi-millionaire from just one company. So, how can you make that kind of money in the stock market? While there is no one-size-fits-all solution, there are a few factors to consider. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 video channel.